worked perfectly to upgrade the memory in my late 2008 13 inches MacBook. The system immediately recognized it, and I was able to proceed with installing Mojave. I've now been using the machine for over 20 hours and have not had a single issue. This memory is a lifesaver. Last month, I upgraded my Sony Vaio T13 2013 model from Windows 7 to Windows 10, but never realized my nightmare begins. Windows 10 used much more memory than Windows 7 and made my computer extremely slow. It may take 2 minutes to open a Firefox browser. Since there is only one memory slot on the motherboard, I decided to purchase a 8GB RAM instead of a 4GB one to maximize the utility. After the upgradation, the change is immediate. My laptop now runs as flying without any compatibility issue, and I know I can use it for another 3 to 4 years. I would recommend it. My MacBook Pro was starting to slow down, which was somewhat expected for a 12-year-old computer. I was thinking about scrapping it and buying a new MacBook Air. Started thinking about the other issues with the computer besides its speed, i.e. battery doesn't hold a charge, charger is positional, the tops of a couple cuts missing, and trackpad doesn't work anymore. I started researching the cost for replacing, upgrading these items. Turns out it cost less than $100 solve most of these issues. In addition to the RAM upgrade, $37, I also bought a 85W charger, $22, and a replacement battery, $33. All bought through Amazon. I can live with a couple keys missing, but still functional, and I use a Bluetooth mouse instead of the trackpad. In regards to the RAM, I was amazed on how fast the computer was running after I installed the new modules. Swapping out the RAM modules took less than 5 minutes. I installed the two 4GB RAM modules, which doubled the original amount of RAM. Now applications start up lightning fast. So happy I tried this first instead of paying $1,000 minimum to buy a new MacBook. It really is like having a new computer. If you're questioning whether or not to upgrade your RAM, I would highly recommend it. Minimal cost, easy to install, and makes a huge difference to the computer's performance. Charger seems quality, time will tell if it holds up, but has solved the issue of the charging port being positional. Replacement battery arrives later this week. Bought this kit for my Toshiba Satellite, and so far everything is working great. This was a lot cheaper than buying a new laptop just to obtain more memory for my applications. Worth every dime. Highly recommended. I was skeptical, but it worked. Well, I wasn't skeptical of the product, but more so if the computer supported it. My grandma gave the kids her computer HP P6700Z that she always seemed to have problems with. It was slow, but it has a single-core CPU with 4GB RAM running Win764. I just had to get this thing upgraded to be more usable. The HP motherboard spec said max memory was 4GB and memory finder tools like Crucial. That was a 32-bit limitation, I knew for sure, but was it hard-coded into the BIOS not to accept more even with 64-bit OS? If I couldn't increase the memory, then I may as well hang it up. Kingston Memory Tool gave me hope, as it said max memory was 8GB. That's when I went searching for some RAM and found these here on Amazon. When I got the sticks, they were well packaged in bubble wrap and in a nice packaged envelope. They were very clean too. It was a good feeling when the computer post and I saw both modules were recognized. They also passed a 24-hour memory test. Now I am off to find a used quad-core to CPU to bring it to life even further. Thanks, edit, I added screen capture of newly installed Phenom, and now the memory clock is higher. This product arrived in perfect condition and works exactly as it should. Also, the packaging is pretty sweet. Came in a nice metal tin I can use to store guitar picks or for some of you other things. Click link in description for more reviews.